Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to order from Temu in India. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to order from Temu in India, the best method involves navigating to the Temu website or app. So once you have done this, you need to now simply add the desired items to your cart. You can simply scroll to Temu app and find the product that you want to purchase. And once you have done this, you can simply add that particular product that you want to purchase to your cart. And after you have done this, you can simply select the option called checkout, and after you have checked out from that particular page as well, you will end up in different kind of interface where you need to select your preferred payment method. That can be either your credit card, debit card, PayPal, etc. After you have done this, you need to provide your shipping address and you can simply order from Temu in India. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.